Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to hide an album on your Redmi K70 Ultra phone. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to open up the gallery on our phone, and we're going to create the album that we want to hide, or if you haven't created, just skip this step. So I'm going to create one, and I'm going to add the photos to the album that I want to hide. So I'm just going to add one photo for now, and click on copy. So now that we have this album right here, we can hold on it, and once it's been selected, we can click on hide down here. Hide selected albums, confirm that, and now the album has been hidden. So if you want to access the album, you're going to click on the three dots, and then you're going to click on settings, and under browse you will see view hidden albums, so click on that, and here you have a hidden album. You can access it, or you can click on hide to unhide it, and it returns to the albums tab. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.